Hello everyone, I am Tania Sultana, student of St. Anandaram Jayapuria College studying food and nutrition. On the occasion of National Nutrition Month, I am participating in an online recipe contest. So today I am going to cook a tasty and easy evening snack. The recipe I am going to cook today is coconut stuffed puri. To make a coconut puri, we need 300 gram of refined wheat flour and cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf and cloves and sugar and raisins and main ingredients grated coconut. Then in a heated pan add grated coconut and add sugar. Now mix it very well. After mix sugar, now add cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves and cloves and cook it until the brown colors come. Lastly add raisins and mix it and ready coconut stuff. Now I am took refined wheat flour for making dough and add salt and mix it. Now add soybean oil. Now I am adding warm water little by little. If you add excess water to it, it will become sticky. Now dough is ready. Now make a puri like this. Now I am took this type of puri maker and put the puri on it and add coconut stuff one side and cover it like this and cut the excess part. Now open it and you can see ready our coconut stuff puri. Now time to fry. Now take a oil in a heated pan. Deep fry the puri. Now you can see our coconut puri is ready to serve. Thank you everyone for watching my video.